Okay, this is a quick unboxing and a little mini review. We'll do a future review, a better one after we've used it for a while. This is Simoniz 1900 PSI electric pressure washer. There's a picture of it here on the box. It's a pretty big box. You can get this from any hardware store, Canadian Tire, anything like that in Canada here, or anywhere. Check Amazon even. This is it. It was on sale, but you can get it anywhere. This is, as you can see, it's 1900 PSI electric pressure washer. This is for medium duty. So you can do your garage floors, like it says here, cement floors. You can do fences and decks. That's why it has a little picture there. And of course, vehicles for car washing. Opening up the box, a little bit of accessories in here. These are, I think these, oh, you know what these are? Oh no, we gotta screw these in. This is the handle. And
we got this thing here.
And this is the cradle too. Then some instructions. Then some instructions and stuff like that. Taking the cardboard off it. Reveals the actual power washer inside. You want to come in and take a quick look at how it's packaged. There's really not much probably to put together. You might need a hand to get this out because it's got a little bit of weight to it, as you need to hold the box down. Lift it up. This is the power washer.
Oh, there's some stuff inside.
Okay, taking it out of the bag here, reveals the actual unit itself.
Hey, we can use this as a house. We can use this as a house.
Here's the power cord. Probably got a, I don't know if it says on it, but it, Quentin, quiet. I don't know if it says on it, but it's a pretty long cord by the looks of it. If you need to go any further, of course, you can use an extension cord. It's only a 2-prong, it's not a 3-prong. It's got a little connector here that when you hook it up, or when you're tightening up the hoses and wrapping it up and everything, this little connector just goes over the hose just to keep it so the plug itself doesn't dangle. So that's a pretty neat idea. As you can see here, labeling on it. If you have any problems, you can call the 1866 number. If you have any questions or problems, well, it's 1-866-4-Simoniz. This is a reel for the water hose itself. Here's your power to turn it on and off. That's on, that's off. Here's your water intake to hook up your garden hose to. It's got a little filter on it there. 1900 PSI keeps reminding you of that. This right here is some of the hardware that no screws required, so we'll just put this on right now. This is for your cord management. This just slides into here and slides down, and it possibly, you know, I was gonna say, it probably clicks. So then from here, you can take your hose, your cabling and cord, and just put it there when you're stowing it away. Here's a handle, a little collapsible fold-away handle. It just comes out of here, and when you're finished with your actual hose reel, you can just wind it up like that. One end goes to the wand, which is probably in the box still, and then the other end here attaches to the unit itself.
All this stuff are not in the box, it's empty.
Okay, coming around to the back, you can see there's a little detergent reservoir. This actually is a neat little thing because this hooks up to the actual wand itself. And this little cradle is for the wand itself. And this on the opposite side, just like the cord management, the little cord hook, this just slides in and snaps into place. So when you want to put the hose away, you just put it, it sits in here like a cradle. Speaking of hoses and connectors, this is a connector right here. This is called the 3-in-1 plastic wand. And this part right here, yeah, this is called the project dial, I guess. So this opens up out of the plastic. Everything is plastic these days. And there's the dial itself. Oh, I see how this works. So you can actually, in the years prior, they had little nozzles and little attachments that go on that you can take off. This one actually works by, it's a dial. You just turn it, and whichever way you turn it, is which one it's going to use. There's a little dot here on the tip of the wand, and that shows for a 15-degree spray there. You can turn it this way, and you get the 40-degree spray. Turn it again, and you get 0-degree spray, which is just like a straight shot, I guess. Anyways, this goes into here, and then just turns and snaps in, just like that. So when you want to take it out, you push it down, twist it, and then it comes out. But to put it back in, you push it back in and twist it, and it locks in. And this is where this can go in and hold into the tray when not in use. And I was mentioning the reservoir container. This can actually, I see now, you can actually push this in, take this out, and coming back to this reservoir, now that I've taken this out, this little detergent thing. Now this is interesting. So you can take the actual plastic 3-in-1 wand out, put this sucker in. Once again, it does the same thing. You push and twist, and now you've got your detergent reservoir in here. So you can soap it up with the trigger, or you can take it off and just put the other wand back on and use this for spraying down the car if this is what you're doing or whatever you're spraying down. And then when you're finished, this sits in here, and that's his home, just in there at all times. This part can also sit in here. That's its home at all times. Does it go this way? Yeah, it'll fit that way too, but I think that's upside down. It's best to put it like that. And this can actually fit in there too. So you've got a spot for all the parts, and when you're using it and you've just stopped using it, like I said, you can put it into there. So this part of the hose would hook up to the bottom here. You just take this plastic tab off and you just screw it into there. And like I said, that other part would go, and then you can put this on if you're not using it, but most people would just throw this out when they're not using it. So the high pressure water hose is 6 meters long, which is equivalent to 20 feet. So you can, from where you are here from the unit, you can go 20 feet with the wand. Remember we were talking about the power cord, we didn't know how long it was? Well, this is 7 meters, which is 23 feet. So 23 feet away from the power source, wherever you plug it into, and then you can take this 23 feet away, plus another 20 feet with the hose. So you've got 43 feet away from any electrical unit you can travel. We're gonna hook this up and we're gonna test it out in a little bit, and we'll let you know how it is. But this is just an unboxing. We're gonna do a quick little demo of what it looks like and how it works, but it's not gonna be a true futuristic long-term testing.